Hey guys, this is like very effective video to the point for you. The Curv 2 Pro with the Qrevo Curv, with the Curv 2 Flow. What are the things to be aware of if you want to get these? So all of them got auto mob washing, auto mob drying, intelligent dirt detection, tank refilling, dust emptying. The only thing that it doesn't have is the deterrent dispenser. So this is something that you're not going to find in each of those. Now also the cleaning power, when you're gonna look right here, you can see that Flexi Arm Design Side Brush got the Curv and 2 Pro. It doesn't have the 2 Flow. And also the Dual Lifting Arc Side Brushes got the Flow, but all of this doesn't have it. Same thing, like they got the Flexi Arm Design Mop, Dual Spinning Mops, and Self-Cleaning Roller Mop. Only Flow got, but these don't have it. So again, this is something that you can actually see here. Automatic mob lifting, they all got it. And automatic mob detaching, this is something that only 2 Pro got. So as you can see, you have like differences here for cleaning power. Now, if you would need like more deeper explanation, what you can do is like screenshot it, paste it to ChatGPT or Gemini to explain it for you, and it's going to like explain it also deeper. Suction, as you can see, the Pro is the strongest one, and the Curv and Flow got the lowest one. So this is something very important, that if you need like highest power, you need to go with the 2 Pro. And now to go even further, you see right, like both got all three, like automatic brush lifting and main brush type. It's all the same, but primarily like the features right here, you see they're a little bit different. So for example, self-cleaning roller mop, if you need that, right? Or let's say like if you need these things, I don't know, right? So intelligence, when you can check here, everything is same. So obstacle, LSD, LDS, laser navigation, app control, third party voice control, all of the same. And then when you can look here, look at that volume is kind of like similar here. Suitable area on the Flow, you see it's like square meters like lower. A rated power, it got like 60 here, you got 66, 65. Dustbin volume, you see right here that 325, the Curv got the highest dustbin volume. Water tank capacity, Flow got the highest one. So this is very interesting. So you see that. So water tank capacity 102. And also the battery is like very good for the Curv and Pro, but it's not that great on a Flow. And runtime, as you can see right here, quiet mode is the highest for the Pro. So overall, the Pro I feel is like winning across most of the things. Now it really depends, like, okay, what do you actually need? And if you need some features that Flow got, because what is great about Flow is that on some levels it's like better, but on some levels it's not. Like for example, like you got lower battery capacity here, so that's important. And also you got higher water tank capacity, so if you want to use that a lot, then there is like your answer for it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward video for you guys. Hope it provided you at least a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.